Clear Bra, North Dallas, 2024 Z06 full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus full window film with the Xpel XR Plus for the highest heat rejection, 70 on the windshield, 15 in the other two doors. And let's take a walk around the install real quick. I got just a few minutes. So let's start with our nose here. The big key to this is how we wrap all these edges in. A lot of the companies that do installs will leave this notched out because they can't achieve these edges. These are 100% wrapped all the way through. And that's one of the things you're looking for, because you're gonna get a lot of rocks sitting here. We're fully wrapped all the way up to the lights, all the way around these corners, all the edges fully wrapped around, all the way to the bottom. Our front trunk, fully wrapped 100%. No issues with any type of debris, no stretch marks, everything's nice and clear. Our fender, 100% fully wrapped in to the headlight, underneath, into the door area. The door is wrapped in. Every panel is wrapped in 100%. We don't have any lines. There's no marks around the mirrors. Our mirrors are all done nice and clean. Our rooftop is wrapped in 100% on all sides. Nice and clean. Coming around to our back of our doors, fully wrapped in. Our quarter panel, same thing. All this all wrapped in. So everything's looking good. Rear fender fully wrapped in. Getting to our bumper, everything's all wrapped up nicely. Getting to the top, we do it all in one piece. There are some people that seam it. I put it in one big sheet. The emblem comes off and goes right back in, 10.5 inches down, right up the center. No problems, no lines. And there it is, nice and clean. Much more the same on the other side. And that's it. That's how we wrap them here at Clear Bra, North Dallas. Xpel Ultimate Plus, 10-year guarantee in writing. Installations covered by us for the life that you own the car. And that's it. ClearBraNorthDallas.com. Cell 940-703-8301 if you need me. I'm Brent, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.